Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. Today we are going to start question number 4 of exercise 10.3. Question number 4. The area of a rectangular garden 50-meter long is 300 square meter. Find the breadth or width of the garden. Length of the garden is given and area of the garden is given. First we will write question number 4. Exercise 10.3. Area of rectangle. What is that? Area of rectangle given 300 square meter. Length of rectangle. What is that? 50 meter. Then width means breadth. Okay, width of garden. Area upon length. Okay, what is that? 300 upon 50, 0 cut, 5 6 30, so 6 meter. Children, how we are getting this formula to find out the, I am showing you here, area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Suppose you have to find out length, then area upon B. If you have to find out breadth, that means A upon L. What does it mean? Because this is in multiplication, if one of the measurement will come on left side, that will come in division. Multiply will become division. This is the way the formula has become. Okay, you understood the formula. Now question number 5th. What is the cost of tilling a rectangular plot of land 500-meter long and 200-meter wide? Okay, at the rate of rupees 8 per 100 square meter. First of all, we will write the length and breadth and we'll get the area. Okay, length of a plot. What is that? Length of a plot, that is 500 meter. Then breadth of a plot, that was 200 meter. Then area of a plot, L into B, 500 into 200. 5 twos are 10 and 4 more zeros. Okay, so what it will be? 1 lakh square meter. Then cost of tilling. What was the cost of tilling per 100 square meter? Cost of tilling 100 square meter is equal to, what was that? Rupees 8. Then cost of tilling. You have not to put commas as I am putting. You have to write completely. 1 square meter. That will be rupees 8 upon 100. Then cost of tilling. How much? 1 lakh that we are getting. Square meter. Completely, children. Once again I am telling you, you have to write complete statement. Okay. Otherwise marks will be deducted here, because to save the time I am putting like that. Otherwise you have to write completely. Two zeros, two zeros. Then 8 ones are 8 and 8,000 rupees will be the answer after multiplication. Cost will be, rupees will be multiplied by that. Now question number 6. A tabletop measure 2 meter by 1 meter 50 centimeter. That means this is length and this is 1 meter 50 centimeter is breadth. Okay. Now what is its area in length into breadth? Simple. But how you will find out? You will write length, you will write breadth, you will find out the area. Here I am going to rub and write over here. Length of a tabletop, that was 2 meter. Breadth of a tabletop, 1 meter 50 centimeter. Now you convert either into meter or into centimeter. That is your wish. Okay. So here, suppose children, you are writing here what they ask in meter. Okay. So we will write it into meter. That will be 1.50 meter. Okay. Length into breadth. 2 into 1.50. 15 twos are 30. Multiply we will do. Then this one zero I am putting here. And point after how many digit? 1, 2. So I will put point after counting 1, 2 like this. So 3 square meter will be the answer. This is the way you will solve. Now question number 7. A room is 4 meter long and this 3 meter 50 centimeter wide. How many square meter of carpet is needed to cover the same way, children? This is length given, this is breadth given, and in square meter the carpet they have to cover the floor. So you have to find out area, and in square meter as we have done in 6, you will do same way in the 7th also, but only you will write area of the floor to be covered by the carpet. So last statement in the answer you will write after finding out the area. You will write in answer, the carpet is needed to cover the floor of room is equal to how much area you will find out. That will be the answer. A floor is 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. A square carpet of 3 meter is laid, sides of 3 meter is laid on the floor. Find the area of the floor that is not carpeted. First you will find out it's this area, then the area of the square, then you will subtract both. Okay, so I am going to start question number, this is question number 8. First we will find out the area of the floor. First, length of a floor is equal to 5 meter. Then breadth of a floor is equal to 4 meter. Then area, length into breadth, 5 into 4, 20 square meter. Same way children, here side of a square carpet. What was that? 3 meter. Then area of a square carpet, that is length into length, 3 into 3, 9 square meter. Then area of the floor that is not carpeted, that is not carpeted. I am explaining why we have to subtract. Okay, that is 20 minus 9 is equal to 11 square meter. Why children? Here before this you see, this is carpet. Wait, this is floor size, and floor was 5 and 4, and square carpet of same was 3 and 3. So how we will get how much is left? This part is left. If area of this one, where I am going to double the line, that is floor, will be area of the carpet will be subtracted from the area of the floor, we will get this area where I am putting question mark. Okay, so I have done the same. So I hope you will finish all these sums. Now let us discuss question number 9. 5 square flower bed, each of the side 1 meter long, 1 meter are dug on a piece of land 5 meter long and 4 meter wide. What is the area of remaining part of the land? Same way question number 8. This is the land. Question number, same way question number 8 we have done. We will do the question number 9 as it is. You just wait where it has gone. Let me see. Yes. First children, same way as we have done in the question number 8, we will find out the area of land. Okay, this one. 5 fours are 20. Same way here 1 meter square bed, that is area also 1 square meter, but here 5 beds are there. So area of 5 beds will be 5 into 1 square meter, that will be 5 square meter. So 20 minus 5, you will get the answer. What is the area of the remaining land? 20 minus 5, that is 15 square meter. But first we will get the area of one bed, that is 1 square meter, but 5 beds they asked to form. So 5 into 1, that will be 5 square meter. After that we will subtract as we have done in the ninth sum children. So in homework I am giving you 10 sum. Okay, so you will do If you are not getting the answer, then I will explain you how to do. Okay. So you try to complete question number 10 in homework. Otherwise, in the next video, we will do the remaining sums.